Hi students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today our topic is classification of organic compounds. The simplest organic compound which contains only carbons and hydrogens are called hydrocarbons. Other all organic compounds are thought to have been derivative of hydrocarbons. The all known organic compounds are broadly divided into two categories depending upon their skeleton structure. So that is one, open chain or acyclic organic compounds. Second one is closed chain or cyclic organic compound. Next, open chain organic compounds. These are the compounds in which carbon atoms are linked to each other in such a manner the molecule is having chain like structure. The chain may be branched or unbranched. These carbon compounds are also called as aliphatic organic compounds. Now let us see example. Open chain organic compounds example. Ethane. Now formula is C2H6, means two carbon atoms are connect to each other. Next, N-pentane, it consists 5 carbon atoms. All carbon atoms in N-pentane connect to each other in chain to form a unbranched chain. Now branched chain organic compound example is neopentane. In neopentane, all 5 carbon atoms are connect to each other to form branched chain like structure. Next, hydrocarbons. So what is mean by hydrocarbon? A compound of carbon and hydrogen only is called hydrocarbons. Compound made up of carbon and hydrogen only. Next, classification based on type of bond present. Organic compounds or hydrocarbons again classified into two types, that is saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now based on type of bond present, classified into two types, saturated hydrocarbons unsaturated hydrocarbons. saturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are linked by only single covalent bond is called saturated hydrocarbon. Alkanes are the example for saturated hydrocarbons. So example is alkanes. So next, right. Alkanes. So alkanes are hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by only single covalent bond. The name of the alkanes are end with ane. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Here n indicates number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. So example, ethane. In ethane, number of carbon atoms are 2, means n equal to 2. Now its formula will be C2H6. In ethane, 2 carbon atoms are connected by single bond. Each carbon binds with 3 hydrogen. Next, one more example, propane. Its formula is C3H8. C3H8. 3 carbon atoms are connected by single covalent bond. This is the structure of propane. The saturated hydrocarbons are chemically less reactive. Next, unsaturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by either double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes and alkynes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated hydrocarbons, again 2 types, alkenes, alkynes. Alkenes. So alkenes is a unsaturated hydrocarbon in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by double bond. The name of the alkene is end with ene. Its general formula is CnH2n. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n. Here n indicates number of carbon atoms. Let us see some examples. Ethene. Now name of the unsaturated alkenes end with in ethene. Now its formula is C2H4. Now its molecular structure is C double bond C H2H2. So ethene, in these 2 carbon atoms are connected by double bond. Next, propene. Here 2 carbon atoms connected by double bond. So that's why it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is belongs to alkenes family. Next, alkynes. So alkyne is a unsaturated hydrocarbon in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Now name of the alkyne is end with ine. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. N is here number of carbon atoms. Let us see example. Ethine. So number of carbon atoms are 2. These hydrogens are 2. Now 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. See, in this hydrocarbon, two carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. So that's why this is said to be alkyne. Alkynes are under unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let's see one more example. Propyne. Propyne. It's formed by C3H4. So in this hydrocarbon, here two carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Okay students, this is the classification of organic compound based on type of bond present. In next session, we will discuss classification of cyclic compounds. Okay, thank you students.